How can transparency combat algorithmic discrimination in AI systems? Imagine trying to fix a puzzle when you can't see the pieces or how they fit together. That's what it feels like when AI systems operate as black boxes. Transparency is the key to opening that box. When AI systems are transparent, they show us how decisions are made, what data they use, and why they produce certain results. This openness helps us spot biased or unfair outcomes more easily. Many AI systems are built with complex algorithms that hide their inner workings. When these systems are not transparent, it becomes nearly impossible to tell if they are discriminating against certain groups based on race, gender, or age. Transparency allows users, regulators, and those affected to understand how the AI functions. If we can see the decision process, we can identify where bias might be creeping in. From a law perspective, transparency supports accountability. Laws that fight discrimination requiring companies to prove their AI systems do not unfairly harm protected groups. When companies share details about their data, design choices, and decision rules, it becomes easier to check if they are following these laws. This helps prevent unintentional bias from slipping through the cracks. One way to promote transparency is through regular bias audits. Independent experts review AI systems to find discriminatory effects. They need access to the algorithms, training data, and decision outcomes to do this properly. Another method is openly sharing information about the data used to train AI. Explaining what data was included or left out reveals potential sources of bias and helps users understand the system's limits. Explainable AI techniques are also important. These are models designed to give clear reasons for their decisions. When AI can explain why it made a certain choice, it becomes easier to challenge or question unfair results. Transparency also involves informing people how they can contest decisions they believe are biased. Clear redress mechanisms ensure fairness and trust. Legal and ethical frameworks relying on transparency to work effectively. When AI operations are visible, regulators can better enforce rules, and the public can hold companies accountable. Engaging with diverse stakeholders, including communities affected by AI, helps surface concerns about bias early on. This inclusive approach encourages designing fairer AI systems from the start. In the end, transparency acts as a foundation for fair AI. It helps detect bias, understand how decisions are made, and correct unfair outcomes. By making AI systems open and understandable, we build trust and ensure these technologies serve everyone equally. Transparency isn't just about compliance. It's about creating responsible and fair AI that respects everyone's rights.